Good boy, Thunderpants. Good lad, Stan. You've got no teeth, pal, you can't chew meat. Who's making that strange noise? What is it, Emo? Stanley, look. Oh, you're blind as a bat, Stan. Stanley. That's it. Eat it up, boy. Good boy. Good boy, have a nice treat. Yes, you have it. I think that's Rocky. What's up, Rock? It is Rocky. You're making a strange racket, Rocks. What's happened to you? What's happened to your head? Is that sunburn? You too frightened to come out? Wait a minute. I'll find you a piece of meat. Did you eat it, Stanley? Let's find a little piece. There's a bit. I'm coming. I'm coming. You strange little creature. There. Don't drop it though. Good girl, Rocky. Nice, eh? So nice you've got to cry for it. Oh. Chew it. Don't just swallow it. That's the trouble with cats and meat. They're so lazy, really. It's made them happy today. More? More? Ah, she's found that one I threw over there. Cool. 2 minutes, Rock, I'll find some more. I think Thunderpants might have eaten it all. Which is very good. And it's really good that he's not running away from me. This has never happened before. I'm coming, I found a piece. It's just a little piece. It's just a small piece. It's just a small piece. But it's exceptionally tasty. That's nice, isn't it, Rock? No fighting. You alright, Merlin? Don't worry, little fella. I'm not going to touch you. No touching involved. He might be disabled, but he certainly knows how to care for himself, doesn't he? Little Stan. He's having a lovely wash there. Poor old Emo, he can't chew it. But he's had some nice food. I gave him a nice, as good as it looks, pouch. And that, I think, is ube. It's very strange to see ube getting involved. I hope little Stanley becomes friendly. I'd really, really love that. Because he's getting old now. He's pretty old and he can't live outside all the time. Not when he gets really old. You can see his eyes, how bad they are. Hey, stop fighting. Don't hit you, Ubi. A lot of these guys have never really mixed before, because a lot of them have been in the enclosures and they've been allowed out. Ubi, don't let him steal it. More? I think it's all gone, pal. I'll try and find some more. Wait a minute. But I think it's all gone. What's this? It's okay, Thunderpants. Oh, it's a leaf. What have you done with it, boys? Hey, pal. It's such a nice little boy, aren't you? Are you deaf? I don't know if you're deaf. I think he is deaf. He's certainly almost blind. Almost completely blind. He can see shadows, I think. I see a piece of meat, but I'm going to have to steal it from the hornets. Oh no, that's cat food. There isn't any more, pal. There isn't any more, Rock. I'll get you a pouch, eh? 1 minute. There you go, Rockstar. Later for you, Polly. You're very hungry, aren't you? Yes, you'll get it later, Paul. Oh. Good girl, Rock. Good girl. Good girl. Hello, I've just seen your sister in there. Tiger plants. This is dead. This is dying. Too much sun. Even the cactus has given up. Is that Polly? Hey, is it Polly? Must be. How did she get there? The two timid ones. Thunderpants and Stan. Stop fighting, you two muppets. The one on the right's very aggressive. I don't remember her name. Little Stan doesn't take any nonsense either. He really doesn't. He stands up for himself. He's a bit of a bully, actually. A little bully. Anyway, that's it from here. for today. Over and out. Have a lovely day.